Welcome. I'm going to show you today the best houseplant care app for iPhone. So if you're looking for a simple plant watering reminder app for iPhone, Arrosa helps you track every plant and know which ones need your attention today. So first up, let me just go ahead and show you how to download it quickly. Okay, you can go ahead and open up your camera app on your iPhone and then just face the camera right here, the QR code, and then just tap on App Store, or you can just go ahead and manually find it under your App Store. Now, once you're in here, just tap on Get to install it, and then once done, tap on Open, and here we have the Arrosa app. Now let's just go ahead and try to add a plant right here. Tap on the plus sign that says Add a Plant. Let's go ahead and use the Identify with a Photo feature. Tap on it. Now go ahead and face your camera onto the plant itself. So take a snap, and then wait a bit. Tap on Use Photo at the bottom right, and then just wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, the best match is a snake plant. And this is the scientific name of it. I can't read it. So it is the upright sword-shaped leaves with this type of pattern and characteristics of a snake plant. So if it's correct, tap on Choose Snake Plant. That will be added right here in your garden. So it says here to water. You can go ahead and tap on it, and there will be some guidelines on when to water it, where to place it, and how to take care of it. As well as when you go ahead and tap on the information icon right here at the very top, scroll all the way down. Here are some care tips. Wipe each leaf from base to tip. Choose a heavy pot with drainage only slightly wider than the roots. Remove damaged leaves close to the soil. Now let's go back. Go ahead and check the plant. If the soil is damp, well, tap on soil is damp right here. So you'll be reminded every 2 to 3 days to check if your plant or if the soil is damp or dry. Now, if it's dry, go ahead and water it now, and then tap on Water Now right here. As you can see, you have this cute animation. Just gotta wait for it, and now your plant is happy. Right? I want you to go ahead over to your journal, tap on it. Now, as you can see, we have the care plan as well at the very top. Just tap on it. Now, in 9 days, your arrowhead plant, or my arrowhead plant right here, needs watering in 9 days, or I need to check it in 9 days. My rubber plant in 10 days, aloe vera in 20 days, and my snake plant in 21 days. And don't worry, you get notified as well in here at the very top, or you can install the widget. All right. Now, if you don't know how to install the widget, you got to check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. But when you go ahead and tap on the widget right here, as you can see, you'll be landed to the Arrosa app. Now, let's go back to the journal. We have care calendar. Now, on the 14th of August, I've watered 2 plants. Today, I watered 2 plants as well. And when you got to scroll down, you have your daily logs for 2 days. Scroll down, you have yesterday and other days as well. So if you have questions, plant care suggestions, or ideas for future Arrosa features, you can also join the Arrosa's community on Discord, and the invitation link is in the description below. Now let me just go ahead and show you the plan quickly. So for free version, you have up to 5 plants that you can enter. And when you go ahead and tap on the premium button right here at the bottom left, you can subscribe annually or monthly. For annual, you can have 7 days free and cancel at any time within 7 days, of course. And here are the perks. You can add in unlimited plants and photos. You'll get adaptive reminders and a garden that feels like yours, as well as an exclusive widgets. What I meant with exclusive widgets is that this one's for free. Now, when I go ahead and choose other sizes right here, so this one will let you add in 3 plants, or you get notified for 3 plants. And the other version would be multiple plants. I think 5 or more. All right? So there you have it. That is the best houseplant care app for iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.